Hey there, students! Whether you're in high school, college, or university, we all know that student life can be pretty demanding. But it can also be a lot of fun, especially when you have a bit of extra cash to enjoy it to the fullest. Got some extra time and need some extra cash? Maybe you want to save up for a trip, buy some new gadgets, or just have a little more financial freedom. Here are the top 6 side hustles every student should try. These are not only great for making money but also for gaining valuable experience. 1. Tutoring. If you're good at a subject, anything from math to music, there's someone out there who needs your help. Tutoring can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to reinforce your own knowledge, but you also get paid pretty well. It's a win-win situation where you help others succeed while boosting your own skills. Plus, flexible hours mean you can fit it around your class schedule. You can tutor in person or even online, making it super convenient. 2. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for words, try freelance writing. This is perfect for those who love to write and want to make some money from their passion. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find gigs. You can set your own rates and choose projects that interest you. You can write blog posts, articles, or even product descriptions. The variety of work available means you'll never get bored. It's a great way to build your portfolio and earn some bucks on the side. Plus, the experience you gain can be a great addition to your resume. 3. Campus jobs. Many universities offer on-campus jobs for students. These jobs are designed to be flexible and fit around your academic commitments. You could work at the library, in the cafeteria, or even as a research assistant. These jobs often come with perks like discounts on campus facilities. Plus, they often come with the added benefit of being conveniently located right where you study. This means no long commutes and more time for your studies and social life. 4. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? This could be the perfect side hustle for you. Pet sitting and dog walking are not only fun, but also a great way to stay active. Sites like Rover connect pet owners with pet sitters and dog walkers. You can set your own schedule and rates, making it a flexible option. It's a fun way to make money while getting some exercise and enjoying the company of furry friends. Plus, it's a great stress reliever during exam periods. 5. Sell your stuff. Got unused items lying around? Turn your clutter into cash by selling things you no longer need. Try selling them on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. You can sell anything from clothes to electronics. You'd be surprised how much you can make from things you no longer need. It's also a great way to declutter your space and make room for new things. 6. Social media management. Are you a social media whiz? If you love spending time on social media, why not get paid for it? Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. You can help them create content, engage with followers, and grow their online presence. You can offer your expertise in creating posts, engaging with followers, and growing their online presence. This is a valuable skill that is in high demand. It's a valuable skill that can also boost your own resume. Plus, it's a great way to network and make connections in the industry. So there you have it. 6 fantastic side hustles that can help you earn some extra cash while balancing your studies. These opportunities not only provide financial benefits but also help you develop skills that will be useful in your future career. Don't just sit around, get out there and hustle. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. And remember, every little bit of extra cash can make a big difference in your student life.